So we are making peanut butter bites. And they're super yummy. And it's yummy. Just for sure. Just peanut butter. So we gotta mix peanut butter into the balls. So let's make it. So the first recipe to use ingredients is oats. Oh, you chop it. Whoa.
Now what do we need?
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
So peanut butter is my favorite thing to add in peanut butter bites. Down my mind in peanut butter. Yep. Then we're going to add clover honey, which is part of the app.
It's what?
It's part of the recipe, I mean.
Part of the recipe?
And super great.
Whoa. We need a bigger food processor.
And then some honey. Alright, chop it and green it.
Now, we add our protein powder.
Protein powder is so yummy. So it's chocolate, you know.
Make it a little chocolatey.
Yep. No peanut bowl. That's right. What?
Oh, plop. Oh my.
What?
I just threw a bunch on the countertop. What's she doing over there?
Well, we got our new baby, and she's whining.
And she's whining. Should we go get her? Can you stir this?
I'm going to show it how it looks. Plain looking.
Plain looking? Is that what you said?
Yes. Right?
All right, should we make a little ball and try it? See if we need to add anything else? Can you hold the bowl? There we go.
I want one more.
Yeah, we will have more. As soon as they are ready. Where do we put these now? In the fridge. It's just to get them to firm up a little bit.
Okay, try now. Oh! It looks right.
Not very many left.
Whoa!
Oh no. What do you think?
Good.
I'm sorry, what?
Good. Pretty good.
Yeah?
Enjoy this video if you like to watch it.
Thanks for watching.
Can I try putting it in?
Uh-huh.
I cannot do this. Well, that didn't work.
That did not work. Hang on.
Hang on.
Where did you get the peanut butter? Uh-huh. Where is that?
Right there.
Can you tell everyone else what it is?
Right there.
What is this though?
A holder.
It's the dishwasher handle.
The dishwasher handle. I like this part.
Sure.
Pretty complicated about, but don't worry. So peanut butter balls is made for like conflict and dimple, and we are making peanut butter balls by chocolate, which is me.